Arvind, thanks so much for joining us, and please also, on our behalf, convey our thanks and our gratitude to the Prime Minister for his very kind words that he tweeted a short while back about the campaign that we've been doing. So we had Priyanka Chaturvedi a short while earlier in the day, and she also felt that maybe some of the energies on social media can be harnessed to take the simple message forward that we can have a clean India.
And I think this is a program for the country, by the people, for the people. So everybody needs to come together for this. And Swachh Bharat or Swachh India program, the government is one participant, but I think the people of this country, it's a bottom-up program where everybody needs to participate. A mindset change needs to happen, and the industry and needs to contribute. I have a few points to make regarding this. While we are discussing, a lot of times we discuss toilets and the sustainability of toilets. I think it's very important to also discuss how we can invite innovative ideas to make sure that we complete the loop. I mean, disposal is as important as capturing the fecal matter or waste. So through this platform today, I do want to invite people. I know you are collecting funds, but also ideas and innovative ideas in making the cost of toilets be down, the biodegradable part of toilets, and thirdly, how do we ensure a complete cycle, which is one part of the loop that we many times miss out.
All right.
Yeah, we actually had, sir, this is Amitabh here. We actually had earlier on in the program a young boy who started thinking about this at the age of 11, did he say?
11.
At the age of 11, and he's from Gujarat. And he created an innovative idea of how to build cheap toilets, and not just building them, but also taking care of the waste that you talk about and how to manage that. All those matters. So I think that it is youngsters like this who must be encouraged to come up, bring in new ideas. And I think it's a wonderful idea to invite a lot of suggestions and put them all in a bank and maybe discuss them and see how they can become operative.
Arvind, if I can also add to that, just your thoughts on this and cleanliness. We just heard what Saina was saying. She goes and she plays in countries, all around the world. She sees the levels and the sort of hygiene and the conditions out there. And then when you come back, we have the most beautiful country on earth, and we see how we disfigure it, disgrace it with, muck lying around everywhere. This is the sort of a thing which, through social media and others, it should be possible to get all the young people to literally come out on the streets and want to do something about it. And what are your thoughts on how you and others can help in doing that?
No, so 2 points, Vikram. Number one, I think through the use of technology, through the use of social media, you have to change mindsets, and I think all of us have talked about that. It's a behavioral change. But the message has to go to all sections of the society. We have to have certain people leading by example, and then propagating and amplifying using social media, using digital technology. So people watch others do it, and then they want to replicate it. Social media should be used to amplify this whole message, and I think it is being used very effectively. In fact, the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan's logo was crowdsourced.
Okay.
Using one of the portals of the government. So I think there is awareness that is being created, but it needs to be sustained. The awareness needs to be on a constant basis, and all sections of the society need to be involved. The second point about involving the younger generation is very, very important. See, if in schools and in colleges, I think this becomes a standard mindset. It becomes a basic hygiene factor, as we call it. Then I think it builds a bottom-up pressure on all of us in the society.
Right.
If our children tell us that we are doing wrong, I think it puts a pressure on us. So that is a second part. Social media will help us, propagate this, see others leading it, and replicate it across. There's a lot of energy in young India, and I think we need to use it for causes. So the third point I would like to make, Vikram, is that we should use social media and technology to organize online, but the work has to be done offline, and that's a very important thing.
All right, Arvind, those are
need to
great
actually do
points.
work on the ground.
Those are great points. You'll take a note of them. Saina, your thoughts on showing by example, giving an example. Of course, like we've been saying since the morning, the fact that someone like Amitabh Bachchan is here talking about it, that message really resonates. Everyone listens and hears what he has to say. But, you and other people in the world of sports, so many people look up to you. So somehow setting that example, sending the message from your side as well?
Yes, sir, it's very, very important. जैसे कि first of all, toilets बहुत important है neat रखना हमारे country में. और being a sports person, हम obviously toilets का ज़्यादा इस्तेमाल करते हैं क्योंकि हम matches के बाद immediately toilet में जाके change करना and then बहुत ज़रूरत पड़ती है. तो इंडिया में I think I would say first of all toilets बहुत important है साफ रखना and उसके बाद जो भी obviously roads is very, very important to be kept clean. बाकी मैं अपनी तरफ से जितना कुछ हो सकेगा, जितना मैं लोगों को encourage कर सकती हूँ, आगे आके इंडिया क्लीन रखने के लिए मैं वो अपना पूरी तरफ से पूरा अपना जी जान से मेहनत करूंगी उसके लिए. And I would love to see that people come forward. जैसे वो अपने काम पे ध्यान देते हैं वैसे ही क्लीननेस पे भी ध्यान दें और अपने आने वाली जनरेशन के लिए और अपने लिए अपने जो सराउंडिंग्स है उसे नीट रखें.
All right, Saina, thank you so much, and Arvind, both of you nominated, so we'll take it forward. Cyrus wants to say something.
Saina, one last question quickly. Yes. Saina, hi, sorry, Cyrus here. I just want to ask if you're available for private coaching. My daughter is 7 years old, and what will the charges be? Not the right place to ask. It's not answering my
It
question.
will be free for her, no problem.
अब national TV पे बताया तो I'm fantastic.
Okay, what kind of coaching are you looking at?
Build some
How to clean toilets?
Yes, sir. We'll start with that. I mean,
Okay,
Indian
great.
male, I have to start with that.
Well, okay, look at it. Look at the brighter side. He's asking you to teach his daughter, not him. It could have been a lot worse. All right, Saina, Arvind, thank you so much for joining us.